Hello and welcome to Master of Finance, your go-to channel for learning how to make smart, simple, and powerful decisions with your money. Before we get into today's topic, I'd love your support. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are looking to grow financially. Your support helps us reach more people and continue delivering valuable content. Thank you. Now, let's talk about a concept that's simple, but incredibly powerful: compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because when you understand how it works, you can make it work for you. And if you ignore it, it can easily work against you. So, what is compound interest? In simple terms, compound interest is when you earn interest on your initial money, called principal, plus the interest that money has already earned. It's interest on top of interest, and over time, this causes your money to grow at a much faster rate than simple interest. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 10%. In the first year, you earn $100. Now you have $1,100. In the second year, you earn interest not just on the $1,000, but on the full $1,100, which gives you $110. Now your total is $1,210. And the process continues. Over time, this creates an effect we call exponential growth. Now, here's the key. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes, because it needs time to really do its magic. That's why people who start investing or saving in their 20s often end up with much more wealth than those who start in their 30s or 40s, even if they invest less money overall. Compound interest also applies to debt. Credit cards and high-interest loans use it against you, growing your debt rapidly if you only make minimum payments. So how can you use compound interest to your advantage? 1. Start early. Even small amounts make a big difference over time too. Be consistent. Invest or save regularly. 3. Reinvest your returns. Don't pull money out early. 4. Be patient. Compound interest rewards long-term thinking. If you understand this principle and apply it, you'll be shocked by how powerful your money can become over time. If this video helped you understand compound interest better, leave a comment below. Have you started using it to build your wealth? And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Thanks for watching Master of Finance. See you in the next video. And remember, small actions today can turn into huge results tomorrow.